Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel at home easily. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a pinch of salt. Also, have 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter ready. A heavy-bottomed saucepan is essential for even cooking, and a candy thermometer will help ensure perfect results. Let's get started. Now, let's start cooking the sugar. In your heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and the pinch of salt. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once it begins to boil, stop stirring. This is crucial to prevent crystallization. Use a wet pastry brush to wipe down any sugar crystals that form on the sides of the pan. Keep cooking the sugar syrup without stirring. Watch it closely as it transforms from clear to a beautiful golden amber color. This stage happens quickly, so don't walk away. Use your candy thermometer to monitor the temperature. Aim for around 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches that rich amber hue, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. This prevents it from burning and becoming bitter. We're almost there. Now for the final steps to create that luscious caramel. Very carefully and slowly, pour in your warm heavy cream while continuously stirring. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble up vigorously. Next, add the 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring until each piece is fully melted and incorporated. Continue stirring until your caramel is smooth and uniform. Let it cool slightly before enjoying this homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.